Imagine a patient waiting for the diagnosis while the dentist is carefully analyzing an X-ray manually. A small delay or a missed detail can affect the whole treatment plan. Before I introduce our solution, let's dive into the problem statement and see what the actual and real problems are.
A patient visits the dentist with dental pain, expecting a quick and accurate diagnosis. The dentist captures a panoramic X-ray to understand the condition of the teeth. But interpreting dental X-rays manually can be time-consuming and depends heavily on the dentist's experience. The same X-ray may be interpreted differently by different professionals, which can lead to inconsistent results. With increasing patient load and limited access to specialists, diagnosis can become delayed, which affects treatment planning and patient care. To resolve this issue, we developed Dentex AI, an AI-based dental intelligence system.
Dentex AI is a clinically oriented web-based platform that analyzes panoramic dental X-ray images and assists dentists in identifying dental diseases. The purpose of this system is not to replace dentists, but to actually provide them with the powerful AI-assisted second opinion. Our system is built on a three-portal architecture. The public portal allows dentists to explore one platform, understand its benefits, and request access. The admin portal is responsible for the provision of new dentists, manage system access, monitor audit logs, and control the global database. The dentist portal allows registered dentists to manage patients, run AI analysis, upload X-rays, view diagnostic reports, and maintain patient history. The core strength of Dentex AI is its multimodal AI pipeline. When a dentist uploads an X-ray, the system first performs tooth localization. Then multiple deep learning models, which includes CLIP, EfficientNet, ResNet, analyzes the image and generate predictions. These predictions then pass through a consensus-based decision mechanism to get a more reliable diagnostic output. The system also maintains two levels of database. Each dentist can access only their own patient records, while the admin manages a centralized global database. Our experimental results shown an accuracy of 86% plus, demonstrating strong diagnostic performance. Dentex AI is a step towards making dental diagnostic faster, more accessible, more reliable, and more consistent through artificial intelligence. Thank you.